Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Chinese steamed cod. This is a very simple 10-minute recipe that any beginner can nail it. Check it out. Hi new friend, this is Erica right here. I'm a Chinese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling are my passions, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. On top of that, I also make videos talking about food knowledge and the history background of the dish on this channel. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. I love cod. If I have to pick one fish to eat for the rest of my life, cod and salmon will be very tight on my list. I guess I can only pick one, right? I don't know. What would you pick? Today I'm going to teach you the easiest way to cook cod at home, but since this is the first time that we made codfish on this channel, so as usual, we're going to start with introducing some facts and nutrition benefit of eating cod. Cod is a popular, widely harvested fish because of its flaky, white flesh and a mild taste. Several species of fish within the genus Goddess are considered cod, including the Atlantic cod, Pacific cod, and the Greenland cod varieties. Cod is high in protein but low in fat, carbs, and calories. Using Atlantic cod as example, an 85-gram serving of cooked Atlantic cod is packed with 19 grams of protein. They're also a great source of several B vitamins. Then an 85-gram serving of cod provides over 30% of the reference daily intake for vitamin B12 for an adult, which vitamin B12 will help your body form red blood cells and DNA. These fish are also a good source of vitamin B6 and niacin, both of which are necessary for hundreds of significant chemical reactions in your body. Another fact about cod is that cod is lower in mercury than other widely consumed fish such as tuna, bass, and halibut, which make it a better choice for those who's looking to avoid toxins. Now you learn the health benefit of eating cod, let me teach you the easiest way to prepare cod at home. Here's the ingredient that we'll need for today's steamed cod. Obviously, we'll need our cod right here. This is American fillet cod. You can also use the Asian type of cod as well. It looks like this. Either way will work. And for the herbs, we'll need some scallion, some ginger shreds, minced garlic, garlic slice, chili shreds. Besides these, the rest of the seasoning and the exact amount of the ingredients will be listed in the description box down below. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. We want to use scallion white to steam the fish and get rid of the fishy taste. But we also want to make some curly scallion green for garnish. So roughly chop the scallion into 2 inches length, then keep the scallion white as it is and thinly slice the scallion green. When that's done, prepare a bowl of ice water and put your scallion green in. With the cold temperature, the scallion green will curdle up within 5 to 10 minutes. And in the meantime, let's heat up our steamer and start to prepare our fish. Use a paper towel to dry up the water on the fish, and then put it into a deep plate. I've mentioned on this channel before how Chinese like to use ginger, garlic, and scallion to get rid of the gamey taste of the meat and the fishy taste of the seafood. And since today we're using a very simple way to cook and very mild seasoning, we must make sure that our fish does not smell weird. So besides the 3 basic herbs, we're also gonna use the cooking rice wine to get rid of the odor. Pour a tablespoon of rice wine on top of the fish and make sure both sides are coated well. After that, place the fish in the center of the plate and pour the soy sauce on the fish evenly. And then top it up with ginger shreds, garlic slices, and scallion white. Try to put all your ingredients right on top of the fish so it can absorb the flavor better. If you would like a little bit more flavor in your sauce rather than just pure soy sauce, you can add in some Hongdashi or SMG into your sauce. Now the fish is ready, we can put it into the preheated steamer for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's fry up some minced garlic. Use a pan or pot and heat up 3 tablespoons of olive oil in it. Wait till the oil is hot, add in your minced garlic. We want to fry the garlic till crisp, so keep the heat in low and constantly stir the garlic to prevent burning. As soon as you see the garlic turn into this golden brown color, turn off the heat. Now the fish should be ready as well. Take it out of the steamer and get rid of the scallion whites and garlic slice on top. Then lay the fried minced garlic on top of the fish and then garnish it with curly scallion greens and chili if you prefer it to be a bit spicy. Last step, heat up the remaining garlic oil and splash it on top of the garnish to release its flavor. And done! The Chinese steamed cod is ready. Wow, the splash of oil makes it look really professional, isn't it? This recipe is one of my favorite ways to cook white fish. The cod doesn't have as strong of an odor as tilapia, so it's literally perfect for this recipe. The crispy and flavorful garlic crust on top of the soft and mild cod matches really well. Now, before you go, let's learn some Chinese, shall we? The word of the day today is 清蒸鳕鱼, steamed cod. The first two characters 清蒸, that means plain steamed. And the last two characters 鳕鱼 means cod. So 清蒸鳕鱼 means steamed cod. Thank you for cooking with me to the end. Let me know if you like this recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only gonna take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make video on YouTube every Monday and Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one.